And there is my DIY wall clock. There. I'm so excited for that. See that. DIY wall clock. Wall clock that really works, not just for decoration. Hello, good morning. This time, guys, what is this? I'm with Cherry, Dinus Apareso, my friend. Uh, as we will be making a DIY, what's that, wall clock?
DIY clock. Wall clock.
DIY, do-it-yourself wall clock. Of course, there on the wall, it's a big, I already have there my own wall clock. This is in my classroom. There. First things first. Could you explain?
Pwede patrabaho ra ko dyan.
Okay, there. Later on, then my color will be this one. It's gold and something. Gold and green. There, I love it. I'm so excited for this. There, later. Of course, she's measuring. There's Cherry working. Oh my God, be careful! Ah! Usually, Cherry, how many hours does it take you?
Just,
Like 20, 30 minutes?
5 minutes.
Wow! 5 minutes? It's 3 minutes already in my time here.
10 minutes.
Okay, there. So guys, let's invite them. So guys, for those who are planning to have their DIY wall clock, you can contact Cherry.
Just contact Jerry.
Okay, that's
My manager.
there. So, how did you learn this, Terry? Over the YouTube?
Yes.
Or by watching videos?
By watching the drawing.
Like how many years or months have you been learning this, or have you been doing this?
10 seconds.
Wow. 6. 12 is already there.
Pagtanaw, Jer, kung hiwi ha.
Yeah. There. Oh, it's hiwi. Ana? Okay, sorry. I thought it's kind of broken. Is it not hiwi? Okay. So that's okay. Cherry's still working there. There she is. She's still working. So 3 minutes left. Cherry's still working, ladies and gentlemen. Update. Oh, almost done. You got 9. Is it not? Hiwi?
Hiwi.
Yeah, it is. So people, ladies and gentlemen, help me. Please.
Okay na?
Ikuan siya sa kanang 3. A little down pagamay. Or ang 3 ang down. Ang 3 murag di baba ang 3. Kana word itaas gamay kana sa E. Sige pagamay, saka gamay. Oh. But careful dyan ha. I love it. I'm so wow. Back here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, what's that bell? I guess we have a meeting. Forgot. That bell, that means we're about to take our snacks. Joke. That means we are going to have a meeting.
Chata gidon jersey kung silver.
Logi ba? Because silver is best for my classroom. That's my motive. That's okay. Okay naman because nakuha naman siya sa green. So. It's here pala, if ever, in case you were wondering, ladies and gentlemen, this is DIY clock. Golden, wow. Where did you buy this? Online? Did you order this online?
Yes.
We don't have this at Novo.
Wala sa
Instruction there. The instruction is in Chinese. I don't understand. There's here. Step 1. Fasten the clock on the wall. You saw Cherry earlier. That's what she did. Stick the clock plate base on wall and press several seconds. Then step 2, cover the clock with the auxiliary scale. Stick the figures to the right place according to the scale. Then step 3, take down the clock. Fix the hour hand and the minute hand one by one. Tips, press the hands into the clock axis with 2 fingers. Let they both point to 12 o'clock. Step 4, install the battery and adjust the time with a button. Step 5, hanging the clock on the wall again. Step 6, well done. You can enjoy your artwork now. I'm so excited for step 6. But we'll be waiting for the barina. What do we call barina in English?
Lagi, na lang nito eh. Balikan ko rin
No. I just want it. Ibutang na sa balag kuan kajut lang. Balag tanggalon lang din after. I just want to see it. Nga, tapos na siya. We only have last minute left. 18 minutes and 15 seconds. There. Wow. Wow. Time. I've got 2 clocks there because time is very essential. Time is very important, so we have to value time, ladies and gentlemen. And I thank you. Wow, she's got really good earrings.
Sabi, di na mataw ng battery.
Oh my God.
Maraw ni Andar na.
Ang time to look at the time. It's 9:10.
Ay sa kay di pa siya gaghugot. Ay sa.
I'll just wait for the DIY clock with Cherry. What's wrong? Drill pala, driller something. The barina. Okay, here. We'll just wait for the barina. But for now, we'll just have it temporarily put
Temporary
up.
sa labi.
Okay.
Later na.
Basta lang kuan lang sa anak lang sa kajut basta. Just want to see it.
Dili na ko ma.
Oh my God. Sige.
Ako sa ning kuan.
Okay. I guess. Thank you, Cherry. Bye-bye. I'll come back sa delivery.
Bye.
Okay. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put na Cherry, my good friend, is going to put na the dial, the minute and hour hand. This is just temporarily kasi nga wala pa tong drill yung barina. Naka-glue, is that in glue na? Unsa ano mo siya
Dili
pagbutan?
siya man mag-glue.
Unsa may ibutan nimo temporarily?
Kuan. Isukod ra para makita nimo.
Ipapikit ka jut ba? Balag scotch tape lang sa... Oo nga. Sige na nga.
Wala pa.
What time is it? It's summertime. Yay! Ganda na siya. Yay!
Ana na din siya.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. Here's Randy. He's drilling the dial there now. Say hi. So excited for this. We've been working on this since this morning with Cherry. And now, of course, he's using some measurements. He's gonna drill through the holes here, right here at the center. Center, somewhere there. I'm not sure, but he's measuring it to be exact. There's a dial. We're gonna put it there at the center. Huh? Ah, okay. Okay. Tadang. Okay na yun. Ako rin mag-adjust sana unya. Perfect. Yay! Time now is... I'll change the dials later. Yay! Perfect. Here's my DIY wall clock. Thank you, Cherry. Thank you, Randy. Yay! Thank you to the parents of Amethyst and of course my pupils, Amazing Amethyst 2021. Bye bye bye. This has been Teacher Jerry Java for English with Jerry Java.